What's up everybody and welcome back to The Golden Life, and in today's video I am picking right up where I left off. Now basically, if you guys have not seen it already, the garage makeover part 1 and 2, guys, go and watch that because it will all make sense. But anyway, if you've seen the first video, you've seen that everything was kind of in the house from the garage, and we have already kind of put most of the stuff back. There's just a few things that need to go back into the garage, but I'm going to help my mom get organized inside because, as you can see, the counters are just a little cluttered and things are just kind of everywhere. I want to be organizing these cabinets as well as underneath the sink. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. So now that everything is in the drawer where I would like, I'm going to go ahead and just double check and make sure everything fits into these containers, make sure everything is functional, because even though, you know, when you're organizing, of course it looks aesthetically pleasing, but the main purpose is to make sure that it actually functions. Now, once I figure out all that and make sure and have everything placed where I want it, I'm then going to go ahead and remove all of the labels. Like to use clear containers, or do you guys like to use white containers, or, you know, those assorted different color containers? I personally like to use the clear ones just because I like to see everything inside of them. It makes it so much more easier. I know sometimes people like to have different colors. I'm not that type of person. I like a simple, clean look. And then I don't always like to use labels. I will admit I don't always like to use labels. So this makes it very, very easy for me. Alright, you guys, so this is actually a prime example of why organization is so important, just because I realized that she had a lot of the same things. That she had a lot of the same products, even if it was like a different brand, it was a lot of the same exact thing. Like she had a lot of granite countertops cleaners, and come to find out she had like 6 of them. She had some in 409 brand, she had some in that new Target brand, the Spring Clean. I don't know, it's like a clean product supposedly. I haven't tried it, so I don't know how it works, but she just had a lot of the same type of product, and it became so bad that eventually I started calling her throughout this whole project, and I was like, okay, let's play the game of how much do you have. And it just was just one of those things that I had to make light of it, because I was just like, why do you have so much of this, or why do you have so much of that? And she was just like, I just need help. She's like, just organize it. And of course I did it perfectly. But besides all of that, moving right along, I am going to go ahead and clean underneath the sink. There are a couple of stains under there. I tried using a rag at first. It didn't really work, but thank the Lord she did have a magic eraser. You guys know I love magic erasers, and it came pretty much right out except for like one little stain. I just really got tired of scrubbing, but it did work. So and then I am going to go ahead and actually put everything back and make everything nice and organized. If you have made it to this part in the video so far, go ahead and drop a crown emoji, because that just lets me know that you guys are still here with me, you guys are still loving my content. And I just want to say, for those of you who have been keeping up, especially with this garage transformation, I truly appreciate you all. Your response has been just over the moon. I mean, all the amazing comments that you guys have given me, you guys even going back and watching the previous ones, even if you're coming in on like video 2, or possibly if you're coming on this one, the fact that you guys are going back and actually, you know, experiencing this whole transformation, I truly appreciate you guys. And let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Ryan. For those of you who are new, I'm a wife, I'm a mom, and I do homeschool my children. I do try to live a non-toxic lifestyle. So here on this channel, you will find a little bit of tips and tricks on all of those things. I also do cleaning and organization videos. And you know what? This is just something that is completely fun for me. I truly enjoy making these type of videos. So don't forget to like this video, just because it helps out my channel a lot. Alright, so what you're going to be seeing me here is actually just talking to my mom's housekeeper about the products that she uses the most, because as you can see, she's a little bit short. We do have a step stool, but I just wanted to make sure that it was also functional for her, because she's really the one who really keeps up with the house. I mean, not the day-to-day, but you know, she does the deep cleaning and like the baseboards and the, you know, the TVs and all that kind of stuff, that the things that my mom doesn't want to do on a daily basis. So I just wanted to make sure everything was in the front and kept it, you know, it's in close reach for her. We also ended up buying her this caddy because she was just using a mop bucket and it's not cute, you know, it's really just not cute. That's really just the purpose of it. And I ended up putting this in the middle bathroom because my mom's house is like basically like a long shape of a house. It's not like a box, it's more like a rectangle. There we go, it's more of a rectangle. So I was just trying to make it functional for her, and so all the bath products went into that caddy, so it would make it easier for her to actually clean, so she doesn't have to go all the way to the garage just to go all the way to the back of the house. And then I'm going to go ahead and take care of the dishes because we were there. We usually aren't there when she comes to the house. So I just told her, don't worry about the dishes, because obviously I do have children and we had to have lunch. And so I was like, don't worry about the dishes. I'll clean up the kitchen, but just go ahead and sweep and mop because I don't want to do all that. This is not my house, girl. But anyway, that's just kind of what you're going to see me doing here. I'm just going to clean up and make everything nice and clean in the kitchen. And then we're almost going to wrap this video up. Okay, sorry for the camera. She didn't realize that I was actually filming, but you will see me actually wringing out my cloth diapers. I know a couple of you guys have been asking me for an updated video. I'm sorry, I've been so busy with this project, but I will be getting that out to you guys soon because I know people are definitely asking me for an update. I have not forgot about you guys, the ones of you who are asking. So yeah. Alright you guys, as this video is coming to an end, I'm going to go ahead and reveal the final results for you guys. If you liked what you see today, make sure you hit that like button because it helps out my channel so much. Also, let me know down in the comments, what was your favorite part? Was it cleaning out the sink, cleaning underneath the sink, organizing everything. What? Mine was definitely organizing underneath the sink. It's just my favorite thing of all time. Also, please share this video with your loved ones, your family, your friends, anyone who you think might enjoy this, because I really truly appreciate that. It helps out my channel once again. And if you liked what you've seen today personally, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys some more. Also, hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And until next time, bye!